Click on the link below to get price. The Pulsar PG7600BiSRCO 7600W dual-fuel inverter generator is a robust and versatile power solution designed to meet the needs of both home and outdoor activities. One of its standout features is its dual-fuel capability, allowing users to run the generator on either gasoline or propane. This flexibility is particularly beneficial during emergencies or when working in remote locations where fuel availability can vary. With a powerful 7,600 starting watts and 6,000 running watts, this generator is more than capable of handling essential household appliances, tools, and RV necessities. It operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for users who prefer a peaceful environment or need to adhere to noise regulations in camping areas. The inverter technology ensures that the power output is clean and stable, making it safe for sensitive electronics, such as laptops and smartphones. The design of the Pulsar PG7600BiSRCO is user-friendly, featuring an easy-to-read control panel with multiple outlets, including USB ports, 120V and 30A RV outlets, and a 120V 20A outlet. The inclusion of a remote start option adds convenience, allowing users to start the generator from a distance, a feature that is especially appreciated during inclement weather. Portability is another highlight of this model. It comes equipped with never flat wheels and a sturdy handle, making it easy to transport to different locations. Additionally, the fuel efficiency is commendable, providing extended run times on both gasoline and propane, which can save users money in the long run. However, it's important to note that while the generator is powerful, it can be slightly heavier than some competitors in the market, which might be a consideration for those who prioritize lightweight options. Overall, the Pulsar PG7600BiSRCO is an impressive generator that combines power, versatility, and ease of use, making it a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable power source for various applications.